Hey everyone, my name is Sean and welcome to Geeksvana. Over the next few weeks, we're going to be running a new series called Geeksvana Takeover. This is an opportunity for us to shine a light on some great creators. If you'd like to get involved and have your channel featured, there's a link in the description explaining how to apply. Today, we're focusing on videographer, actor and YouTuber Johnny Bermudez. The following amazing video was filmed mainly via drone within the Brooklyn Zoo Fitness Center in New York. It really shows the skills Johnny has to offer. He'll be putting up a lot more content on his YouTube channel soon, so check out his links in the description below. Johnny will also be joining me on our regular Geeksvana live stream on Thursday the 21st of January, so come along and get to know him a little better then. Let me know what you think of the following video, Parkour NYC, in the comments below. Enjoy!
What are you still doing here? You know the drill. The show's over. You don't get to be here after this. Embarrassing me all the time.